On the steering wheel, you have the mute button right here. This is your mute button. It mutes the radio. Whenever you want to use navigation while driving, or you want to use DVD and drive, you press and hold this button for 4 seconds, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And release, it's going to enable video in motion or navigation enter in motion. To disable, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bentley Bentayga presented on Porsche Panamera. Quality products since 2002. Audi, Bentley, Porsche and VW all share the same navigation. Demo presented on Porsche PCM 4.0. All products are made in the USA. Please support American jobs.
This installation of the video in motion and navigation in motion for Porsche Panamera will work on all the new Porsches, Audis, VWs with the new PCM 4.0 radio. So basically all 2016 and up. All Porsches, the entire Porsche lineup, most of the Audis and most of the VWs with 4.0 radios. This interface will give you two features. Feature number one is DVD in motion, so you can use DVD in motion. Feature number two will give you navigation motion. So we're going to install the interface, and it installs it very, very easy. So the navigation brain is located right here in the glove box. You will need what are known as VW Audi radio removal tools. You will insert the tools. You can purchase them online or locally somewhere. You will insert the tools and the radio will just pull out. So the radio just comes out. The connector that you need to access is this one right here. That's the connector you need. So you just simply unplug it. And you're going to interface this connector and install the interface. So we send you a plug and play harness like this one. So all you need to do is take this harness that was sent to you, plug it in. So you got two ends. All you do is plug in as following. Factory one goes in here, and then the remaining one goes right in the back of the radio. After you plug it in, you have the extension harness. And then you plug in the interface into the other end. Take the interface, plug it in, and this completes the installation. Now go ahead and test everything out before you slide it back in. On the steering wheel, you have the mute button right here. This is your mute button. It mutes the radio. Whenever you want to use navigation while driving, or you want to use DVD and drive, you press and hold this button for 4 seconds, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And release, it's going to enable video in motion or navigation enter in motion. To disable, 1, 2, 3, 4. The better method is 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, activate, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, deactivate. Take the car for a spin. Make sure you program it properly, everything works. Close the car and enjoy the product. Don't forget that the interfaces come blank from the factory when we send them to you, and you have to program them prior to use using our software updater. Programming sequence only takes approximately 20 seconds. You can program using Windows-based PC or Mac-based computer. Thank you for watching.
Please click the subscribe button on the left. Subscribe button can be clicked on smartphones, tablets, Windows and Mac-based computers. Please click the thumbs up and click the notification bell. Please leave a comment about this video. On the right hand side, you can click another video from our website. Thank you for watching.